Do you know people are getting paid thousands of dollars just by going ahead to different platforms and they post reviews? So whenever they post review, they get paid for doing that. And this is what you can also do as a beginner or someone who is watching my videos right here. So what you need just to do is just for you to have an email address. Then you can also go ahead and start to make thousands of dollars just by posting review of different books. So in this video, I am going to show you 8 platforms where you can get paid to review book and the highest payment on this website I'll be showing you is $100 per book review and per also book summary, which means you need to watch the video to the end to find out the website that can pay you as much as $100 just by you posting your book review and summary on their platform. And again, before we get started, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my next update on how you can make money online. I recently also posted a video where I talk about you can also earn $60 per book, and this is also you getting paid to review books on this platform. And the first website I'll be talking about in this video right here is called reducing.com. As you can see on my screen right here is that as a reviewer, you need to create a profile on this platform where you need to put your email address, your first name, last name, and your password, or you can also sign up with your social accounts. And this right here is what you just need to start to become a reviewer on this platform. So this right here is as easy as anything. You don't even need experience, just your email. Go over to this website here and start reviewing, then you can start to get paid. So the next website I'll be talking about is called Booklist Online. So you can just go ahead to your Google search and type it just like this, as you can see right here, which this is the link to the website. And this website right here have over 15,000 people clicking on this link and over 30,900 organic traffic, which means people are coming to this website and use this website to do their book review. And you can also go ahead and write for this book and you can also get paid for this. So you can check other people, other blog, what are they saying about this website is that on this website you can get paid to $15 just by for each book you review. You get paid $15 once your review is being published. So this is how easy you can make money just by reviewing different material on this platform. So the next website I'll be showing you is called InstaRead. So InstaRead also right here is where to show you the key insights of this book and how much will you make on this website is that you can earn up to $100 per book summary, as this is part of the research I have made on this platform that whenever you go ahead and post a book summaries that have over 1,000 words, you get paid over $100 per summary. And this right here is what you need to get started as a beginner, as this platform is easy and to navigate for a beginner to start to earn on this platform. You can go ahead and also make more researches on how you can earn on this platform, as this platform is making people over thousands of dollars already. So the next website I'll be talking about right here is called Rightful Books. So on Rightful Books also have over hundreds of visits every month, and you can also go ahead and also apply as a book reviewer where you actually go ahead and review books for them. Then you start to get paid on their platform. As you can see, there are different book recommendations you can also go ahead and do, and also for book reviewer where you can go ahead and submit your book review, and this right here will give people the different diverse perspective and also your reading background, your understanding, and you can also go ahead and produce this and make sure as this ready. I've already shown you guys no ChatGPT review is allowed on this platform, so make sure your review are actually real and genuine and is from your own view and perspective. So the next one right here is a popular website that where people actually go and get paid to review books completely for free. And what you need right here is just your own email address, and people get paid $5 to $6 per book review. Just input your email address, then you get started on this platform. So the next one I'll be showing you is called Critical's Review. So for Critical's Review, I have over 6,000 traffic every month, which means over 6,000 people views this website, and from 6,000 people viewing this website means you can actually earn more on this platform as a book review. As you can see right here on other blog right here, if you check it out, the people you will get paid between $50 if you have a review that have over 350 words and in 2 weeks your book is being assigned, then you get paid $50, and it could even go up to $75 just by you posting your review on this platform called Critical's Review, and you can go ahead and check it out. And this page right here have a different novel of book. You can go ahead and post your review, you can post a summary, then you get paid up to $75 by this. So right here the next website is called Amazon ACS. Yes, Amazon ACS is where you can actually make money by doing audiobooks. So doing audiobooks right here is actually what some people like and what some people are looking forward to, and you can use this. You don't even need an experience or skill for you to achieve this by doing an audiobook, and you can earn money with this. And all you need right here is also your email address. Then you can go ahead and create ebook and create an audiobook for this ebook you uploaded on Amazon. Then you can start to earn on this platform, as most of these readers right now we actually love to listening to the book they are about to read. So this actually will save them time, and every readers actually look forward and target more audiobooks, and this is an opportunity for you to actually earn more on this platform. So the last one right here we're talking about is called Publishers Weekly. So how much do you get paid by publishers? You get paid $25 per review, and how do you go ahead and apply is by you sending your resume and sample review, which can be above 200 words, to this email address called reviewers@publishersweekly.com. Then this right here is where the publisher and editorial actually check out your review. Then you can actually go ahead and start to make $25 per review on this platform. So right here is 8 platform where you can actually get paid just by reviewing different books on this platform. And this right here is the best strategy as a beginner that you can use to make your own first $100 online. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, you can go ahead, kindly subscribe and turn on notification, as I'll be posting more videos where you can actually make more money online, where I can show you strategies, free tools and all that for you to improve your earnings, for you to improve your videos, and for you to also improve your bank account, as this right here has worked for me. And I'll also show you